This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hawaiian rolls add sweetness and a pillowy texture that soaks custard evenly, transforming standard French toast into a soft, slightly sweet breakfast. Use 12 small rolls or 6 large split rolls to make 8 to 12 servings, depending on appetite. Cut rolls in half horizontally for sandwich-style toast, or keep whole for pull-apart servings. Allow the rolls to rest in custard for 3 to 5 minutes per side for best absorption. This gives a moist center and a golden exterior when fried or baked. Whisk 3 large eggs with 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon ground cinnamon to make a balanced custard. For extra richness, add 2 tablespoons melted butter or 1/4 cup heavy cream. For lighter toast, use skim milk. Dip each roll briefly for 10 to 15 seconds per side if they are thin, or allow a 3 to 5 minute soak for thicker rolls so the custard penetrates. Preheat a skillet to medium or a 350 degrees F oven for even cooking and a golden crust. Melt 1 to 2 tablespoons butter in a skillet over medium heat and cook soaked rolls 2 to 3 minutes per side, or bake assembled rolls 12 to 15 minutes at 350 degrees F until set and golden. For a richer finish, sprinkle 1 tablespoon sugar on top before broiling 1 minute. Top with powdered sugar, 1/4 cup maple syrup, fresh fruit, or a drizzle of cream cheese glaze made from 2 ounces cream cheese and 1/2 cup powdered sugar. Store leftovers refrigerated up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.